Hi guys, welcome to Bushcraft Towns. This isn't really a bushcraft thing, but I reviewed my hobo stove last time and it worked fine, but it was a little messy to take back home. It didn't cool off really fast, so I had to put it on the outside of my backpack, and it's really dirty, so I wanted to try something else, and this is what I came up with. These are two alcohol burners. This is the first one. This is the easiest one to make, and this is the second one. It's a little harder to make. This one I just took deodorant can, popped the top off, and for the first one just swung it off right here, then leave the bump in it and started drilling holes. If you can see it like that, yes. Started drilling small holes, 2 rows, and then started drilling some bigger holes underneath, and it works fine. It only uses more fuel than the little one. These are compared with a book of matches. These are really small, really light, compact, cool down easy, really nice. This one saw off the bottom part, hit the bump out, saw off the top part, hit this inner ring out with the release thing. Make sure the can's empty, and as long as it makes that sound, it's not empty. So make sure it's empty, and if it's really empty, just try it near in the middle. Just take a needle and what do you call it, a nail and a hammer, and just hit a hole in it to make sure everything is really empty, and then saw the bottom part off, saw the top part off, hit the sledge out here and turn it inside out to the bottom part where you hit the bottom part. You see this one is knocked out, this one isn't, and put it upside down. Then make sure it's nice and round, and that's it. Now I'm gonna show you how they burn. This is some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol. You can also use DEET, I believe it is, and denatured alcohol. They don't need a lot of fuel. This one needs a little more fuel. This one is 3 times. This one is a little less. This one is just 2 times. Squeezing, I don't know how much this is, I think about 20 milliliters. And wait, forgot something. This one you don't have to prime. This one needs a little priming. So this is an iron bench, but if you don't have an iron one, use a can or something to put under it, because you don't want to burn everything. And now we'll light it. Take a match. Try to do this with one hand. This always happens when you're filming. And there you go. That has a very light flame. You don't see it when the light's on. Maybe you just see a little blue shimmer. I'll put the lights out for a minute so that you can see. On this one, here we go. You see this one's priming on the outside, and that one doesn't need any priming. I'm gonna show you the first one with a cup of water on it. Just place it on top, and there we go. You see the blue flames on the side, so that one's ready. This one's becoming ready. You're seeing the jets coming outside, out of the side. So when all the jets lit up, he's about ready. And I'm gonna put another can, if I get it out, with some wax on this one. There we go. Now you see how they both work. That one gives a higher flame, a bigger flame. Makes the water boil a little faster. This one takes a little less time. I'm gonna put the light back on now. If I find where to put the plug, there we go. Oh, and the water's already boiling. How long was that? A few minutes. And the water's already boiling. This one is melting the wax. Wax is also starting to melt. So I like these stoves. When your water is boiling, or the wax is melted, I just take some pliers. For this one, doesn't have no handle. Take it off. You can see it boiling inside. Taking the wax off too. The wax is also already done. Now you just take a pot and you put it out like that. Now you wait a few minutes and then they're cooled, and then you can pour the alcohol back into your little container, or you can also let them burn out, but it can take a while, especially when you fill them up through the top. And that's about everything I wanted to show you guys. I want to thank everybody for watching and see you on the next video.